So see this page 96, we were doing significance of reflex, that reflex actions protect the organism from the harm that could be done if delayed. So these relieve the burden of brain by automatically responding to routine stimuli. Third is that conditioned reflexes, such as wild animals in a circus, they are trained to perform any strange act. They are taught to behave in a strange way. So that is also conditioned reflex. They learn it. And most of the daily habits and acts such as salivation of mouth on hearing the bell for lunch break, these are conditioned reflex, because daily you are listening the bell, then you are getting the food. So salivation occurs. This is also conditioned reflex. Then activity 4. This activity will enable you to learn about reflex action and its impact in our daily life. So simplest reaction to a stimulus which does not involve the interpretation of the signal by the brain is called reflex action. This is very good definition for reflex action. No involvement of brain for reflex action. An example is knee-jerk response. In this reflex, the signal is integrated within the spinal cord, which causes the reflex to be extremely fast, approximately 1/20th part of a second. This is an example of an involuntary action. Reflex actions can be defined as, again they have given, a spontaneous, involuntary, nerve-mediated action of the body which are produced at the unconscious level, which is when a specific receptor is stimulated. Usually these are sense organs. So nerve endings in various parts of the body feed sensations to the peripheral nervous system, which in turn pass them on to spinal cord and the brain. So in turn, brain sends commands, that is motor impulse, back down the spinal column and out the appropriate peripheral nerves, instructing the effector, that is muscle or gland, to secrete. So certain reflex actions such as sudden leg jerk produced by tap just below the knee gap are handled by spinal cord without involving the brain. So reflexes serve as primitive response that protect our body from danger, and they help us to adjust to our surroundings. Matlab they are protective in function. This they have tell how it is done. Okay? And there they have given the how fast they occur. So we cough when an irritant enters our windpipe. We need to expel it out through the mouth. We sneeze when we need to clear our nasal air passage of irritants and allergens. So we blink when danger threatens the sensitive tissues of the eye, and when we need to moisten and clean the cornea. So these are all protective. That cornea should be protected, that our respiratory system should be protected. So we yawn when nerves in the brain stem find that concentration of carbon dioxide in blood is high. Yawning is a symbol that you are having less oxygen supply.